Christian just made $4,265 last month with his faceless TikTok account, and in this video, I'm going to show you his exact process so you can do the same. TikTok's new creativity program pays way more than the old Creator Fund, and faceless pages are the easiest way to start earning. In this video, I'll show you the exact process for creating high-quality faceless TikTok videos to make money with the creativity program. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Pick and research a niche. This step is huge because if you skip the research and just post whatever, chances are your videos will flop. Faceless content works best in niches that naturally grab people's attention. Think of niches like mystery stories, motivation, luxury, travel, or even tech tips. We're using mystery stories as our example today because people love suspense, and it's super easy to create content for. But you can apply this same process to any faceless niche. Start by opening TikTok and heading to the search bar. Type in mystery stories and watch what comes up. You'll see a ton of videos, but focus on the ones with lots of views, say 100,000 or more. Tap into a few accounts and scroll through their content. Pay attention to their most popular videos. What are they talking about? Haunted houses, true crime, unsolved disappearances. Take notes on what's trending. Next, look at their captions and hashtags and note those down too. These hashtags will help your videos get discovered when you post. You'll also want to note the format of their videos. Are they using text overlays, animations, or voiceovers? We'll replicate some of those elements later while making your content unique. Finally, check out the comments on those viral videos. People might ask questions, suggest similar stories, or beg for a part 2. Use that feedback as inspiration for your own content. By the end of this process, you should have a solid idea of what works in your niche and how you can add your own twist. Step 2. Generate ideas. Once you've done your research, head to ChatGPT and brainstorm a bank of ideas. By the way, you can use the free version of ChatGPT for everything that I'm taking you through, but I recommend getting the $20 Pro version for the best quality writing. Either works, but Pro is easier. Now I'm going to focus on the niche, unsolved true crime cases. To come up with ideas, I'll type this prompt into ChatGPT. Give me 50 TikTok video ideas on real-life unsolved true crime cases. Sort through the ideas that ChatGPT gives you, pick the ones you like, and put them all in a Google Doc so that you can come back to your bank of ideas. For now, start with just one idea. Step 3. Write your script. Head to ChatGPT again with the video idea you chose. To start, you'll need a prompt. Here's an example. Hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. It'll generate a short story. I always tell ChatGPT to create a 2 or 3 minute story so that I have some wiggle room to delete and edit things I don't like. Read through the story. Does it have a clear beginning, middle, and twist? If something feels off, maybe the twist isn't strong enough, type a follow-up prompt like, make the twist more shocking. ChatGPT will refine the story until it's perfect. Make sure to double-check any stats or facts by checking on Google. Once you're happy with the story, copy and paste it into a Google Doc. Read through it line by line again. Make sure it's short and snappy. TikTok videos need to hook viewers within the first few seconds, so make sure your opening line grabs attention. Delete anything you don't like and add your own touch. Step 4. Create voiceovers. Now that your script is ready, let's turn it into a professional-sounding voiceover. For this, I recommend using ElevenLabs. It's just the best and easiest AI voice generator out there right now. Head to ElevenLabs, then sign up for a free account. On the free plan, you get 10,000 credits with limited access, which is good enough especially at the beginning. You can go for the $5 starter or 22 creator plans depending on how many credits or features you want later. They have some promos and discounts for your first month if you want to check that out. Once you're logged in, check out the library of voices. Pick one that matches your niche and video. I'm going to pick a deep male, mysterious voice and add it to my voices. Now, click on text-to-speech. Copy and paste your script into the text box. Before hitting generate, tweak your punctuation for better flow. Add commas where you want natural pauses and ellipses for dramatic moments. This makes the narration more engaging. I'll use the mysterious voice I picked earlier. Hit generate and listen to the preview. If it sounds too fast or robotic, use the settings to adjust the speech rate or pitch. Once it sounds perfect, download the audio file. Step 5. Generate visuals. Because we're not showing our faces in these TikTok videos, we need to make sure that we have something on the screen at all times to keep viewers engaged. Personally, I don't like cheesy stock footage. I'd rather use unique AI images that go well with this storytelling mysterious niche. I also need to make sure that I have some real-life images to include, because these are true unsolved crime cases. So, first for my video, I'm going to look up Jack the Ripper on Google and download some of the most shocking or creepy real-looking images I can find. I can even screenshot some news articles. I'll pepper these throughout my video. Now, I'm going to generate some more visuals using Leonardo AI. Just head to their website and create a free account. You get 150 credits per day for free, but like with all the other tools in this video, you can pay for more, depending on what you need. Here, I'm just going to type in a prompt like, a dark, creepy, empty alleyway at night set in the Victorian era in Britain. Leonardo AI will generate a few options. If the images don't look quite right, tweak your prompts. Pick the one you like best and download it. Repeat this process for other parts of the video and make sure the images are relevant to what's being said in the script and voiceover. Step 6. Edit in CapCut. Now it's time to put everything together in CapCut, which is one of the most simple and beginner-friendly video editors. Once you've created a free account and downloaded the editor, open CapCut and start a new project. Import your images and voiceover. Drag the first image onto the timeline and adjust its duration to match the opening part of your voiceover. Repeat this for each section of the script, syncing the visuals with the voiceover. For the final touches, add auto caption by just clicking on the feature and letting it load. Double check that the writing is all correct and that it's in a good font and color for the video. This is super important because a lot of people watch TikToks with the sound off. For transitions, stick to simple fades or cross dissolves. Over-the-top effects can make your video look amateurish. Add some subtle background music if you want. CapCut has a free library of sounds, or you can add the music in-app in TikTok. Just keep the volume low so it doesn't overpower the narration. Export your video in 1080p. Make sure you have it ready on your phone and you're set to upload. Step 7. Post and monetize on TikTok. Upload your video and add a catchy caption. Use similar hashtags to the ones you noted down in the research stage. For the thumbnail, pick an image that teases the mystery without giving away the twist. Consistency is super important. Start with 3 to 5 videos a week. The more you post, the faster you'll grow. Keep an eye on your analytics to see which videos perform best, then double down on that topic or style of content. Once you hit 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you can apply for TikTok's creativity program. Go to your profile, tap Creator Tools, and select Creativity Program. Follow the steps to apply, and TikTok will review your account and approve you within a few days. To recap, pick and research a niche, generate ideas and write your scripts with ChatGPT, create voiceovers with 11 Labs, find footage and generate visuals with Leonardo AI, then put everything together in CapCut and upload consistently to TikTok. Which faceless niche are you thinking of starting a TikTok page in? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.